Easter, everybody. I've seen in some stores these rabbits that are riding carrots, and I thought it was so adorable, so I thought I'd make something like that for Easter. I'm adding wire to support the ears. Alright, I think it'd be cute to put a little hat on him, like one of those goggle flyer hats, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to use some brown and take off his hair. Put that on later when I know where it's going to be. So first I'm going to get a nice big piece of brown. It's pretty soft. I don't have to worry too much about it. And I'm going to make the hat now. I wanted the rabbit's head to be a little bit bigger at the top, but then I realized if I was going to put the hat on, it'll get really big quick. So I decided I'll leave it at the size it is, and the hat will make it look bigger at the top. I see. That makes his head much bigger right away. I'm gonna put some ear flaps on there. I'm gonna put these beside each other so I kind of know that they're the same size. Super cute. Ear flaps, but his ears are gonna be poking out from the top. Let's see what that little tuft of hair looks like there. And I'm going to make those goggles. Turn that off. Not worried about getting this white dirty here for the goggles because I'm going to cover it with some metallic powder. Got some dew green yellow. Just be careful here, I don't get it everywhere. And I'm just gonna use my finger. That should do her. Wasn't in the original plan, but I feel like the rabbit looks like he could use some eyebrows, so I'm just gonna sculpt a couple eyebrows, see what that looks like. I might change my mind, I may not. I think we're ready to put the ears on. I was going to have them straight up, but I think they should be going in the wind. So I think I'm going to bake this before I put it in the carrot. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do his front paws and make a little steering wheel for him to hold and then bake it like that. Yeah, have him waving or something. That'd be cute. To get more depth in your sculpture, a nice trick is to water down your acrylic and wash it over your sculpture, taking a cloth to rub it back, and that paint gets kind of in the creases and any of the texture you put. So the more texture, the better. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys create. If you go on Instagram and you hashtag because Sculpt with Christina, I will check them out and see what you've done. Till the next time.